If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, this is the unboxing and review of Samsung Galaxy Official 10,000 mAh battery pack. I've tried a bunch of portable chargers, but this one is the best. As someone who travels a lot, being able to charge my phone multiple times before needing to recharge the battery pack is a huge lifesaver. I've been using it with my iPhone 13 mini, and it can charge from 0% to 100% in under an hour either wirelessly or tethered. This is the first wireless charger I've had, and I'm really impressed. It's super easy to charge quickly and efficiently. The build feels sturdy and durable, even though it's a bit heavy and chunky. It comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable, but no wall adapter, so you'll need to use your own. So far, I've used it to charge my phone and tablet without any issues, but I haven't tried it with my laptop yet. The pass-through charging is super convenient. It lets me charge the power bank and my devices at the same time. Overall, this power bank is really good. It includes a charging cable, and the battery capacity is great because it managed to charge 3 devices at once, 2 tethered and 1 wirelessly.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.